everyone, it's Dahlia, and welcome back if you've been here with me on my channel for a while, and welcome if you're new here. I'm so excited to have you. So today, I'm going to teach you how to make delicious gluten-free blueberry muffins that happen to be perfect for Passover, and they are really easy to make. I promise you guys, these are going to be the best gluten-free, dairy-free Passover blueberry muffins that you will ever try. They require very minimal ingredients and they take about 15 minutes to make. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with dividing 4 eggs. I wanna put my whites into my bowl of an electric stand mixer and then my yolks into a separate large bowl. And make sure that you don't get any egg yolk into the egg white mixture or else they won't whip up and the recipe just won't work. So now that the eggs are separated, we are going to add some sugar. So I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons into the whites and the remaining sugar into the egg yolks. I'm gonna quickly just set this aside and we're gonna whip it up in a stand mixer in a second. But meanwhile, let's focus on the egg yolk mixture. So I'm gonna add some vanilla extract to it. And now we're just gonna whisk this up until it's pale and light. And then I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of water. And whisk that in. It's time to sift in a few ingredients. So I'm going to start with my almond flour, salt, and tapioca starch. And then just sift this in. Then all that's left to do is fold this together. And it's going to get really, really thick and clumpy. I'm just going to take a quick break. I just got out the stand mixer and I'm going to beat the egg whites and sugar mixture on medium-high speed for about 5 to 6 minutes until stiff peaks form while I continue to fold this mixture. Okay, now let's check out these egg whites and they are looking perfect. It's basically like you're making a meringue, but you're not. Because they should be super thick like this and hold stiff peaks. So now what I'm going to do is take these egg whites and slowly incorporate it into the egg yolk mixture. So I'm going to add about 1/3 of this mixture to begin with, fold it in, then I'm going to add another 1/3, fold, and another 1/3. And you want to make sure that you're folding your mixture and not mixing it, or else the muffins will deflate and they're not going to have a great texture. So now I'm going to add in all of the blueberries, and I just washed them and dried them before. You want to make sure that there's no liquid in them because we really don't want to add any more liquid to this batter, and then just fold them in. Now here's the thing, because there's no flour in this recipe, the blueberries do tend to fall to the bottom of the muffin, so we're gonna fill the muffin tin. Then at the end, I'm gonna sprinkle blueberries on top because those don't sink in for some reason. The muffins are ready to get baked, so I preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and now I'm gonna bake them for 15 to 18 minutes. The muffins have been cooling for about 20 minutes, and now it's time to try one out. This is like a pretty spongy cake. So if you like sweet, spongy, and blueberry-filled desserts, then you have got to make these muffins. They are so delicious, and I can't wait for you guys to try them. So head to my website, it's raininflour.com. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Put this on your calendar to make for Passover because you're going to love them. And if you make them, make sure you post a picture on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, and tag me at It's Raining Flour so I can see all your gorgeous and delicious creations. So thank you again so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So I'll see you next time. Bye!